This parcel of rough and rubs has 6 pieces and a total of 31 carats. You can see there's some nice red in this piece. While it is a little bit thin, you'll still get a stone sitting there. You just need to take some of that skin off the top. There's a nice crystal sitting in there. You do still have to go down a little bit further to get to the colour bar. A little bit of pot still sitting on the top. That one's nice and clean. This one has some nice red. It will be thinner, and I would make smaller stones out of it and maybe not so big a stone. This one's going to be a beautiful crystal. And this one needs to be trimmed into about there, but that's a magnificent pattern, orange and blue, a bit of green.